At first glance, it looks simple, cow feeding peacefully. But what are you really seeing is the discipline in motion. Every bit is planned, every ration is intentional. This is not just feeding, it is formulation. In modern dairy farming, milk is not just produced in udder, it begins right here in the feed. Balanced nutrition, consistent routines, and keen observations that the silent formula behind quality milk. At Polito Dairy Farm, excellence is not by chance. It is fed, nurtured, and managed every single day. Welcome to Polito Dairy Farm and learn more on how to keep your dairy cows.